Okay, welcome to Computex 2026. I'm here with Seven Fan, Senior UP Product Manager, and we're going to go through our application. So, here we have the UP Xtreme i14. Seven, what is special about this board?
Today we use the Intel Media Lake platform to do the GMSL camera solution, and I think this is the only one in this year of Computex. We are the only one to make the Media Lake with GMSL camera.
So the benefits of GMSL, we have a much higher frame rate, lower latency, and so it's ideal. You can see we have 3 cameras for our facial recognition, and then the remaining camera focusing on our items here and picking out and placing the items into the correct place. So based on this, we have the benefits of the Media Lake platform. We can see very low CPU usage, extremely efficient high GPU and MPU, and so feasibly with 8 connections for cameras, perhaps this could use you can run maybe 3 or 4 robotic arms on just one unit. And so in a smart factory setting, this would be particularly good. Are there any other areas or benefits you can see for this kind of solution?
Yes, so you can see even we use a 4 GMSL camera, we still use the usage of a CPU MPU is very low. So maybe for the cost, maybe you can use one system to control different robots, maybe 3 or 4 different robotic. So this is a very cost-effective solution.
And you can see because the CPU usage is still really barely breaking 50% with one arm. If you start adding arms, it clearly shows the compute power is enough to continue this kind of efficiency, but without losing performance. Is that right?
Yes.
So here we have it. We have low latency, low power, high efficient AI processing right on the edge, and ideal for manufacturing, sorting, all sorts of things.